Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix keyboard problems on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. The video will aim to fix all kinds of keyboard problems, whether it's not detected or certain keys don't work as they should. Some of the methods will work for laptop keyboards as well as separate ones, but you'll be able to skip any methods that obviously aren't relevant. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. If your keyboard does not work at all, open the settings and expand the menu on the left. Now choose Accessibility and then scroll down and choose Keyboard. Now turn on the on-screen keyboard if you need this at any time during the video. The first thing we need to focus on is the connection of the keyboard. Your keyboard will most likely be USB, or if it's wireless, the adapter will use USB. Try as many ports as you can to see if that was the issue. If you have a desktop, there will be plenty of ports on the back of your PC to try. Make sure the USB cable is fully inserted into the port. If you can, try your keyboard on another PC or laptop to see if it works on there. If it doesn't, then unfortunately the issue is likely that the keyboard is faulty. Check your warranty information if this is the case to view your options. We'll now check to see if Windows is detecting our keyboard at all. To do this, we need to go to the Device Manager. You can get there by searching for it in the search bar. In the Device Manager, look for the section called Keyboards. If you don't see your keyboard in here, it's more than likely that there is a problem with the connections. However, your keyboard could be in a different section, such as Bluetooth if it's a wireless keyboard. If you see your keyboard in one of these sections, it means that Windows is detecting it and we can try some fixes. Double-click on your keyboard and then go to the Driver tab. If a recent driver update caused the problem, choose Rollback Driver if you can. You can also try updating the driver for the keyboard. To do this, choose Update Driver, then the Automatic option, and then see if Windows can find any driver updates to install. I would also recommend checking the manufacturer's website to see if they have any drivers that are required, or if they have any advice on what else to try for that specific keyboard. Back in the Device Manager, we can now try disabling and then re-enabling the keyboard, but you might not have this option. Click on where it says Disable Device and then choose Yes. Now wait a few moments and then choose Enable. If that didn't work, we'll now try reinstalling the keyboard. To do this, you can close the smaller box and then right-click on your keyboard and select Uninstall Device and then choose Uninstall. Now reconnect your keyboard, and if you don't see it back in the Device Manager, click on Action at the top and then scan for hardware changes. If you still don't see it, try restarting your PC. If you see multiple keyboards in this section, then you can follow the methods for each of the keyboards. We'll now look at some fixes that involve some of the keyboard settings on our device. Open the main settings page and expand the menu on the left. Choose Accessibility and then scroll down and click on Keyboard. Have a look at the first few settings, and if any of these are turned on, try turning them off, especially filter keys. Now scroll down and click on Typing. Then scroll down and choose Advanced Keyboard Settings. You could also search for Advanced Keyboard Settings in the search box. On this page, have a look in the drop-down box and if you can, set it to the language you want to use. You can also set it to use Language List, and if you do have it set to that, we'll now check that list to make sure the correct language is chosen. Expand the menu on the left again and click on Time and Language, and then Language and Region. Make sure the language you want to use is at the top of the Preferred Languages section. If you don't see your language here, click on Add Language and then find it to add it to the list. Make sure you drag it to the top of the list after adding it. Remember that there may be subsets of each language, for example English United States and English United Kingdom, and that could be the reason the keyboard is not working properly. If you want to completely remove a language from this list, click on the three dots next to it and then choose Remove. If you have your chosen language at the top, click on the three dots and then choose Language Options. Scroll down and look for Keyboards. Your chosen keyboard layout should be here at the top of this section. If you want to add a new layout, click on Add a Keyboard and look for the keyboard layout you want. You can then remove any layouts that you don't want by clicking on the three dots and then Remove. Leave just your chosen layout in this section. If you haven't already, it's worth restarting your PC, as this could refresh some of the settings that are causing the problem. If you have any software that is related to your keyboard, for example some hotkey software, try uninstalling this, as there's a good chance that could be the cause, and it's worth testing to see if it was. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.